In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview your site in browser from Dreamweaver. This is a quick, reliable way to see exactly how your page will look and behave in a real browser while you work. It helps you catch layout issues early, verify that your links and images are loading correctly, and make sure your CSS and JavaScript are doing what you expect. Start by opening the HTML file you want to preview inside Dreamweaver. If you already have your project open, you can select the file from the Files panel. You can also use the main menu to open it directly from your computer. Make sure you're working in the correct document and that the code or split view shows the markup you want to test. It's a good habit to save your file before previewing, so any recent changes are included. Next, go to the menu bar at the top and choose File, then Real-Time Preview. This command tells Dreamweaver to hand off your current page to a browser so you can view it as a visitor would. If the option appears dimmed, click inside your HTML file to make it active and try again. Keep in mind that Dreamweaver previews the currently selected document, so having the right tab in focus matters. When the browser list appears, select the one you want to use, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Dreamweaver will open that browser and display your page. If this is the first time you're previewing from Dreamweaver, your operating system may ask for permission to open the browser. Allow it and your page should load immediately. From here, you can interact with your site as normal, scroll through content, and test links and buttons. As you continue working, save your changes in Dreamweaver and switch back to the browser to review the updates. Some setups refresh automatically, but if not, a quick manual refresh in the browser will show the latest version. If images or styles aren't appearing, double-check that your file paths are correct and relative to your project folder. For responsive designs, resize the browser window or use its device tools to see how your layout adapts. That's all there is to it. Open your HTML file in Dreamweaver, choose File and Real-Time Preview, then pick your preferred browser. Use this workflow to iterate quickly, confirm your design decisions, and deliver a page that looks great across browsers.